Welcome to PPMA Show 2018.
You're here with PPMA TV, sponsored by Lenza.
PPMA obviously is the #1 show for packaging, so we have to be here.
I think it's good to keep your hand on the pulse.
It's the best show for our industry.
Really, really good quality of people that you get to see. You're speaking with the decision makers and also the people that use it.
This is the biggest show in the UK and we would always be here.
In a post-Brexit world, the UK is going to have to become more efficient.
We have to deliver effective operations, and we can't do that without the sort of innovation that this show is showcasing at the moment.
PPMA is very insightful. We've all gained a lot of knowledge so far.
Oh, it's fantastic. I love it. Love meeting new clients, making connections with some of the other traders here. It's always a nice event.
Lots of people, lots of interest, lots of new customers, which we like, obviously.
So that's it for PPMA Show 2018.
Thanks for coming down, and don't forget we've got some shiny new dates next year, the 1st to the 3rd of October, back here at the NEC.
We'll see you there.
Right, let's give this a whirl.
Thanks.
Oh! I think the robot won. Oh, yes, well done.